Friends, welcome back in this very short video. It's going to be very short video. Now in this video I'm going to just show you how to send and analyze response. Now I don't want to waste much time like on the previous video. So when I take you back, you already know your pass through. You are into here where you're going to pass. I'm on the API integration. So when you check here now, this is your API key. This is to send. This is for balance. Now, you don't need to worry much about all other things that you need to pass. For example, you see this response here? This is definitely just passing up here, and this gives you this. This even gives the balance and everything. Now, the same thing, if I just come back here on my API key, and I just pass balance as the word balance, this one here, you get? So when you pass balance, this definitely gives you balance in a simple term. There's no big logic. I'm not going to change much things there. So I'm going to just pass the balance. So when you're passing balance, remember, they just want you to pass a parameter called API key. Simple. So for you guys who say, API, how do I get balance and so on and so on, please, you just pass balance. So when you pass balance, definitely that very API, it will give you the balance. And as you can see, it gives you the complete account status. The credits is this, the balance even of UGX money is that. So this is something very good that you can have it on your mobile application app. You get, for example, you guys who maybe will be working as a reseller in Yoola SMS, you don't need to worry about much of this. You can actually have it from your account. You get? So this is the analyzed response that you can always see. Get that you can always check and retrieve. So you can go further to visualize in case you want to do that. Get? I don't need to do that now. So in a simple term, that's it. Get? Yes. So it gives you completely the response, or to give you completely the main information in JSON that you want to receive. You can decide to pick in XML or whatever you want to pick it. It's up to you. So that's it. You get? So it's very easy. So the same thing when you come back here again on Yoola, you want delivery report. You just pass. They said that you pass API key and message ID. So you pass API key and message ID. This is the message ID. Okay, when you're passing up you want to deliver report for that given particular message. Simple. Get the API key and message ID. You get? Yes, this message ID you can definitely get from your messages. You get? And definitely you retrieve it from us. And then also scheduled message, just pass this into your SMS. The same thing, just the way parameters are, the group and even the center group. Please, it's very simple, very straightforward, and please feel free, in case you get any problem, always comment on my videos, comment on the so that we give you a hand. Otherwise, thank you for watching this short video on send analysis.